Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can embed videos from Google Drive on Blogger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video on my Google Drive, and the first thing I'm going to do is double click it to open it up or open up the preview. Then we're going to go into the three dots in the top right, click open in new window, and that's going to open it in a full screen window. And what you're going to want to do now is click on the three dots again and then click on embed item. This will give you the embed HTML code. Just click and copy that, and then we're going to go over to Blogger. On Blogger, as you can see, I have a draft of a tutorial blog. Just enter it, and what you're going to do, this is what it's going to look like originally without a title. Just add a title that you want, and you have a blank blog. Now you're going to go over here and click, instead of compose view, select HTML view, and after the first P in these parentheses before the BR, or the break, you're going to want to add a new line and paste that embed link that we have created. Now, once I go back to the compose view, as you can see, it looks like a video. You can move it around the blog if you want, or if it allows you to. As you can see, I can extend the video like so. And once you're done with the video, you can either publish it or click preview. And if I click preview, as you can see, it creates a video out of the video that I've sent to it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.